Bring your water source to life with a fountain from Kasco. Once you have assembled your fountain, it is now time to install your new fountain into your water source. This video will take you step by step through the process. What you will need: assembled Kasco fountain, control panel, drain relief mechanism, 3 mooring ropes, 3 anchors or 3 ground stakes, boat. Once the control panel has been properly mounted and wired by a certified electrician, it is time to prep the fountain assembly. Your first step is attaching the mooring ropes to the float. Locate one of the 3 rope holes and run the mooring rope through it, looping the remaining length through the end loop to tighten the rope on the float, as displayed here. Repeat this process for all ropes. After attaching the ends of the quick disconnect, find the short chain attached to the power cord. This is the strain relief mechanism. Secure the clip at the end to the knot in the closest mooring rope. This creates slack near the fountain and helps ensure that the weight of the cord and any strain placed on it in the water will not damage the unit or cause the float to tilt. Be sure to clip both the loop and one side of the rope between the knot and the float to ensure the clip does not move down the rope when installed. If you are dropping anchors into the water to stabilize the fountain, attach them to the mooring lines. Our pond in this video is lined, so we will be using a bell anchor without any sharp edges so that we don't damage the lining. If your water source is not lined, you can use another type of anchor, such as a cinder block. If you have any lights on your fountain assembly, be sure to add strain relief to their power cord, as displayed here. Take a second at this point to plan the location of all your anchors. This will save you a lot of back and forth. For dropped anchors, follow the chart displayed here, or in your owner's manual for recommended rope length and installation options depending on water depth. If your plan includes stakes, as any of the anchor points, follow the same pattern, with mooring ropes extending to the shoreline. Confirm that there is no power to the fountain before approaching the water. To transport the fountain to the installation point, place it in the water near the shore and put the remaining anchors in the boat. Always tow the fountain by the mooring ropes and not the power cord. Pulling the unit by the cord at any point could cause damage to your fountain. If you are dropping all your anchors in the water, row until you reach the first predetermined point and drop the first anchor. Row at a 120-degree angle from the first anchor point until both lines are pretty tight and drop the second anchor. Then angle back towards the float, using the third line to pull it toward you until all the lines are taut and drop the third anchor. Now you are ready to plug in your fountain. Once there is power to the unit, proper mooring will prevent the float from spinning in the water. If you do notice any spin, turn off the power and adjust the anchor placement as needed to stabilize the fountain. Then all that's left to do is sit back and enjoy your new water feature. And remember, if you have any issues, please give us a call at 715-262-4488, and the best customer experience team in the world will be able to help. Kasco, moving water forward since 1968.